PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional AC short cycling repair in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses restore efficient and reliable cooling performance. Short cycling occurs when your air conditioner turns on and off too frequently, increasing energy consumption and placing unnecessary strain on critical components. Our experienced HVAC technicians diagnose the underlying cause, whether it involves the thermostat, refrigerant levels, electrical components, airflow restrictions, or system sizing. We perform accurate repairs using quality parts and proven techniques to restore normal operation. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable AC short cycling repair services that improve efficiency, extend equipment lifespan, and maintain consistent indoor comfort. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC short cycling repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What causes an AC to short cycle? Short cycling can result from dirty air filters, low refrigerant, thermostat problems, oversized systems, electrical issues, or failing compressors. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania performs comprehensive diagnostics to determine the exact cause and recommend the appropriate repair for lasting performance. How long does AC short cycling repair take? Most AC short cycling repairs can be completed within a few hours, depending on the complexity of the issue and parts availability. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania works efficiently to restore dependable cooling performance while minimizing downtime for homeowners and businesses. What is your service office for AC short cycling repair? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC short cycling repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Cocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashfox.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/